Are you tired of missing out on all the latest updates from your favorite Instagram account? If so, this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to turn on notifications for one account so that you never miss a post, a story, or any other content again. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then go over to the account that you want to turn on all the notifications for. Once you are on their account, tap on the little bell icon at the top right of the screen. And then toggle on the notifications for all of these posts, stories, reels, and videos. And also tap on where it says live videos and select get all notifications. So now you will get notifications from this specific account when they post a post, stories, reels, and videos, as well as whenever they are going live on Instagram. By following these simple steps, you can turn on all notifications for any Instagram account you like. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.